I been gonna attend to them. I did on live video. You hear me? Yeah. My people, how far? How na day? Eh? Just look at the heading of today's topic. Invite your friends. Let's discuss. Let us enlighten ourselves. Share with your friends. Matter dey ground when I want to discuss with you now. Yeah. I say more they cover nose. I bet my drop and make a for fit talk. So now I want you to invite your friends, invite your family members to join us online. It's a live video. I believe today's topic, so many of us will benefit from it. With my contribution and your contribution, we'll be able to do something. Yeah. More than inviting our friends, so more they enjoy ourselves with Stanley O music. I'm on just read what is written there. Why are guests of 30 plus and above of age are not married? Why? What did they cause them? And that will be the topic. What do I mean? Mature guests full everywhere. Girl, when don't reach 30 years, 31, 32, 40, 45. Waiting really they cause them when they never marry. And that will be the topic. It dey bother me. I'm not here to mock anybody. Quote me. I'm not here to mock anybody. I'm not here to insult anybody. But I'm here to talk sense into our brain. Why it be say 30 years and above for guests they still there, they never marry? Me no know. You when they watch me feel know. So I want more lecture ourselves. And as for the girls ladies per se, maybe they still they watch us. Then go still get one or two words when I go still throw in. When they say maybe women, we don't know. As for me, I'm a married man, Sam. I'm a married man. I'm not here to mock anybody. As I marry my wife, I want to make men still marry women, girls, look for house. And my prayer and my wish. Invite your friends. Juliet, you are blessed. Happy viewing. That is the topic. Invite your friends so may they come still throw in their own ideas or where them still no reach. Yes, so off. Okay. Agree to Yeah. Afternoon don't reach. Make I check my time. Yeah, now morning with day. Now good morning, my brothers and sisters. When they view me, this is Eddie Best, aka Eddie Best Food. You all know me. And the president and founder of the Golden Excellent Brothers Club International. So I come here today, I can't bring us matter. I can't bring matter, come table. Oh, love it. Thank you very much. He said much appreciated. Thank you. I can't bring matter, come table today. I don't know, or I feel not know. You feel no. So I want more discuss on this issue. Waiting they cause and when be say, girl when don't reach 30 years, more than 30, 40, 45. them still dey house, they never marry. Does it mean they not a see man when they ask them out for marriage? Or does it mean na home problem? Or na them by themselves just choose such life? Because I remember saying na mama na born me. You when they watch me so, na mama na born you. So as your mama born you, you don't grow, you don't reach to marry. Your mama and your papa still dey expect. May you still bring baby. May you still get baby. May them still carry, they'll still get the joy. The day when they born you, you go still born baby, they'll still carry, yes, this is my grandson, my granddaughter. From you, and you when they look me. So I want make we look into this matter. For those of us who want throw contribution, maybe you know just one type, call 080 55 84 1695. 080 55 84 1695. The phone they on. As you they call, I go put the phone for ear. As you they talk, me go they talk. You go they see me they talk. Me and you go they talk. We go they contribute. Because the thing they eats me up. And the way some girls they live their life outside, are not they pleased. Me as a man, excuse me, if you like say call, don't come on. Excuse me. Hello? Yeah, hello, good morning. Yeah, who am I talking with? Big man David. Oh, Big man David, what's up, man? Thanks for calling. You see the matter? Yeah, okay. Oh, they won't discover Mogo Park. Okay. Yeah. He's setting you walking. Big man David won't kill me. Oh, I beg. God go bless you. Thanks for calling. Thanks very much. God bless you. I bet more they keep the train they move. Let's try to do good. Big man David just called. Excuse me. Big man David just called. In your contribution. Hey, my dear, how are you? Mele, good to see you, my dear. Welcome. Big man David just called. In your contribution, let me say, he said some of these girls that they look for Mogo Park, that they look for Jesus Christ, in the sense that with his own explanation, that they look for person when don't arrive, when don't get money, when they won't marry. He said not be said some of them don't want marry as the guys. They don't need, not be said they don't need woman to marry, but them the guys go they talk say they don't get money. Then at the end of the day, all those kind of guests now will come they regrets. And at the end of maybe na person when not even rich, when not even get rich 5,000 for accounts, then they'll go marry. Anyway, that's your own opinion. And Big man David, God bless you. Maybe at the end of today's video, we go know the main reason why our girls no one marry. We go know the reason why them no one marry. I can't imagine girl when don't reach 30 years. What are you they wait for? 30 years. Then in the next 20 years, menopause don't come. Menopause don't come. When your content born on your children, when your content train them. So I never take side. We still they talk. In case you want to do your contribution as a Big man David just did, you can call on 080 55 84 1695. 080 55 84 1695. 95. The phone just dey ground now. Same. It is available. You can call, share your own contribution, because this thing is not dey good. It's not good. Some just decide say they're not gonna marry. Maybe they be reverend sister. Me, I don't know. But you when don't choose say you no want become reverend sister. I don't know what you still do for us. 30, 31, 35, 36, 38, even 40. You can't reach 40. You don't senior my mama be that now. You don't senior some of us when they hear mama be that. I beg, more think twice. I pray to God Almighty. Maybe say this topic when I bring so it changed so many of our girls' mind. If it be say maybe what a big man David talk just now are true, in the sense that maybe the girls that they look for Mogopank as he talk on just now, they look for Jesus Christ. As in that they look for the man with perfect finish. No man perfect finish. Even me as a married man, I'm not perfect. I'm not perfect. I'm not be Jesus Christ. I know say many people not go view, many people not go talk, many people not go enter this house, make them watch this video. Because this one a matter when they very crucial. But if na matter when be say they talk say na so that one open private parts, na so that one do this one, na so and they spoil person name. I believe say people won't go watch this video now. As me and you they talk, they go reach 1,000. No, I'm far from that. I will not say that. Not be waiting God say make I come life, can't do be that. So invite your friends, make them watch, make them see here. Some people, some guys, they want to swim inside this thing. They don't know. They don't know. They just still they look their breast say it's still stand. They still they look their skin say it's still fresh. But mind you, you get where you go clean that skin rich. You go weak. Let me use this one as an example. White material. Yes, I remember those days when they go secondary school. They'll say always wash your white with jig or any like wow or something to make it shine more. We can't use Omo. We can't they use all those things till they wash them. Remember, a guy where you go wash that white rich, he go come weak. He go still a white oh, but a guy where you just touch and go make sure you go your tear like cellophane. Cellophane even still strong person by the time you don't reach that level. Because cellophane if you dey draw, it still get starch. But this one, if you just touch and go make sure. So make it not come be like that. May not come be like that. Say you don't shine on your skin, you don't touch. You can't forget say your age they go. And the funniest thing, they go still they come out for social media. They celebrate birthday. They celebrate birthday. When you are, you are not growing young. You are growing old. You know they young. You they old. Me when be man. When they here so. My age they go. It they count. Talk of you when be woman. We suppose use this fresh time. Take we to a sharp. You they slow. Enjoyment when you want enjoy. You go see and enjoy. When you don't marry, you don't born all your children. You don't train your children for school. All of them don't arrive. By that time, you will come sit down. That lessons when you won't drive, your children go buy them. Even before that time, car went past lessons 100 times. You don't even come. You go buy them, you go drive them. Pikin, I go give you the key. Son-in-law go give you the key. Yes. Not be when you just see say enjoyment. They like just a chop on. I can't imagine a girl. A girl go there outside for midnight. You won't be boy there in house. What is she they do for outside? Midnight. I know say this one when I talk so some guys go say, hey Eddie Best, you not gamma at all. I be gamma. Remember I said that girl, not Toto Bona, now woman Bona. Now woman born am. If you no pity for am, based on you want, may you just straff, may you just carry girl enter house, all in the name of pleasure. But me dey feel say na person na born that woman, that girl. Now so the girls, you know they think, you know they use your brain. You know they really use your brain. Let me use this as an example. You see, when some people go build house, then they get borrow for house. They'll come put public tap for outside the gates. As in, for street like this, front of the fence, they'll bring one pipe come out. When people go, they go there, go they fetch water. Anybody can go there, open the tap, fetch water, draw water as he or she wants. That's so it be. I don't know whether I get what's in I talk so. Anybody can go in there to draw water. No matter how that landlord go sharp rich, or he go shout rich, or he go day vigilant rich. This one when I still talk so, in the sense that no matter how you go dear rich in price. But not forget say somebody go still come, don't go use you, go dump you. Yes. How long are you going to continue with that? How long? You want to use and build house? The best house when woman they build for life, now when he get children, he marry, respect go day, they go they call her Mrs. They go they call the woman Mrs. Not be Miss or lady. My dear, lady no carry respect. Now me talking the best, you no carry respect. Who they address for public lady? Eh? The eye when I tell they look at, they look like say no level. But no matter how ugly or beautiful you are as a woman, they address you Mrs. My dear, I stand up for you. I raise my buttocks for you. Because you respect yourself. You bring yourself down. Now make them call you Mrs. But some not just ready. According to waiting somebody will call me just now. Should in case you want to call in, call 080-55-8416. Let us discuss this issue. Let us sensitize ourselves. Me, I dey come out for social media, but you not go see me insult somebody. Dolewo or sioba ime debaba nedo dolewo imaji. Ne wi ma make na dejo ve ovie me kere no ve latian unu mena e ije wala ibi eto me era ije de na mi we wa nije o era o domo yiyo wa no mana ye won to la wowo zo rie la wowo. If it be say that girl I be the breadwinner for the family, then with that now you will call it delay our marriage. Oh girl, think fast. Your siblings have their life to live. Yes, I'm not saying you know assist them, but you cannot just be there in all your life. You have to get married so that you'll be addressed Mrs. You'll be addressed Mrs. I get call, I don't know what they call, so I'm going to still check out. Maybe the best thing gets your own contribution. Hello, good morning. Who am I talking with? Oh, Black Albino, Sarah, how are you doing? Good, yeah. We are all blessed. And yours? Oh, that way, oh. Ah, no. You are very, very welcome. Thank you. Thank you. Topic. Thank you. Wow. Thank you very much. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Marry. When don't fair marry. Okay. Meaning when they're young, now they start the mistake. "24, 25. Yes. You don't get money. Yeah. Chai. Yes. Oh, okay. Now you're aware now, because you know as you they talk now, our viewers know they hear you. Now, what you they talk now? Say at the beginning, now they tell they do this mistake when they did 20 to 25. Okay, now they tell they do the mistake in the sense that according to you, say if their friend one boy, they see say not get money, they will come out there, go friend another one. Okay, now as you according to you, say before they count 1, 2, before they know it, they don't sleep with almost 15, 40 boys. Oh God. And by that time now, their age they count. Uh, uh, Imagine, he say marriage, dey take place, and the guy when they marry, so he said the guy don't friend almost all the boy when they marry friends. Sorry, una, I don't know how to put am. Make una dey hear. He said don't friend almost all the boy when they marry friends. What a disgrace. Yes. Imagine. But not before our friends. Hi. Okay, brother. God go bless you. I don't want cut am short because people dey online. What do you talk now? Make us still tell them. God go bless you. God go bless you. God, now I say make this topic come. Thank you very much. My brothers, my sisters, this matter strong well. It's strong well. Wetin they tell me now? He say, nah, their mistake from the beginning. When they go there 20, 22 to 25, they're about when they're still young, fresh, like Obobo, people go they come for them. Then they suppose the reason I say, as they don't reach 24, 25, in the next 3-4 years, they should be planning marriage or having children. Instead they will come, they say, John no get money, James no get money. Then from there, before the girl go notice him, about 40 boys don't sleep with him. He constantly talk say, the boy, this boy and one guy they come marry, say he go the marriage. Not be say tell me I tell you. He say when they dance, nobody know what's in the happen. But guys, when the boy friends, all of them they spray them. The way that they spray the boy, the girl, and the boy comes and say, I don't understand. That's why these people just they spray you. The guy now already they don't take something small based on liquidism. The guy don't know when she they talk say, if this one spray go say my S. This one spray go say my S. This one spray go say my S. Now the boy say, Now he go and go tell the parents, the girl parents say, sorry, this una daughter, he no go fit marry. Even if this guy fit do ashawo, not be the one wey be say almost all his friends na ES. What a disgrace! Hi, Arwime. Hi, Chineke me. Hell, hell. Touching. Hi, tears won't just come off from my eyes. Upon all the jollof when they cook that day, upon the lace when they sell, upon the clothes when they sell, upon the clothes, everything when they sell for that marriage, all the invitees at the end of the day, I saw the marriage just say, it just be like, when you put fire for the next thing go just off. Yes, my brother, somebody asked us and say, what will be the topic? The topic now be say, why girls of 30 years and above still dey house, they never marry? Quote me, I'm not here to mock anybody. And nobody should throw words at me. This is Eddie Best. I am not here to laugh at anybody. It's eating me up. It's a topic that is eating me up, that I'm not happy about. That is why I came up with this topic. Even you, if you are my friend, or you are a friend to my friend, and you are watching me now, don't take side. Please, please and please. It's just like a primary assignment to me. I'm worried. I'm bittered over it. That is why I'm online. So the topic still remain. Why is it like that? Why 30 years and above, still at home, not married, as a lady, as a girl? Are you still a girl? At your age, you're supposed to be called, in fact, you're a potential woman. I believe only what will change your name is when you get married, when you have this in your hand. I beg you in the name of God, quit every other thing that is drawing you back from getting married. Get a good husband. The husband must not be rich. It must not be Jesus Christ. It must not be the most perfect man on earth. It must not be the richest man on earth. He must not ride on Lexus. He must not have buildings. Start up with this man. Even if you have money, tell this man, open-minded, my dear husband to be, let us manage with what I have. If you are in a position as a woman to position that man positively, do. Please do. Don't be greedy with it. Because tomorrow the respect will fall back to you. If I were to talk, the respect will fall back to you. Well, I don't mind me. My papa sit down for my front. I don't feel hold him again. That's my quick return. Una do. So, I beg and I beg. This topic is a very broad one, very vast one. In fact, it's a topic that has branches. Just like when you draw a big tree, from there you see you have branches like that. This is how the topic is. I beg. Imagine somebody is asking me, hey brother, you get man for them? It's not funny anyway. Anybody can write, anybody can comment whatever you want to, but God and heaven knows that this topic and this issue is really eating Eddie Best up. I beg you, if you as a man can help out, do. If you as a woman that is watching me can help out, solve this issue, do. Because if me they see our ladies, because now Benin me from come, I see our Benin girls like this for outside. My own fellow man, they use the do boo boo yeah. It vex me, oh. It vex me. It vex me. I know saying that the woman lose herself. Now make you won't do am. But may you still reason am say you go still get daughter. Ah, you will still get daughter now. Now the men me still they talk to now. You will still get daughter. Eddie Best not just be guy man. Anything you like talk. Now you get your mouth. But I will live and stand for the truth. Sister, your junior ones don't marry finish. Oh. If you don't know me, you know. Junior ones don't marry finish. If you won't go greet them when they don't born, not be clear, not be straight eye. They tell they observe you. That is the plain truth. Oh. On another tree man. Or car about the man or my marry. La will walk out but total common money. This one won't come greet us. So he senior me well, and he never married, never born. I beg. He sit down near this baby well. I beg. Observe the way she will come to greet this baby. Now true I talk. True or false, you when they watch me. Now true I talk, I be not lie. For the girls who don't born, who don't marry yet. Now true me they talk, I be not lie. Not true. Take it or you leave it. Not true. Matter no. Matter man when I tie, I want no tie. Matter no. Talk true and live long. Truth. If you say the truth, you will not die young. I will not die young. I will live to tell people the truth. By the time I grow old and I leave this planet Earth, people will use that to say good of me whenever they see my children. Whenever they see my children, they'll say, oh, your father was a very truthful man. I want to stand my ground by the grace of God to tell people the truth. Sister, your age don't they go. Go marry. Marry. Not the select. Hey, Anahano. And as for some of the girls, when they say, now, what's it going to happen? As my age don't go, any guy when you give me belly now, I just look for man when go give me belly. Man, I just be single mother. See, you not get respect. You know if you talk for where married women day, they'll say, sister, where or what do I? Go say no, go one side. Respect when they married woman body. It too big go. As me day now at the best. Married woman not the both shaken. I go shake the husband, hug the husband. But the wife, I don't go shake her. I go try say I use my hand tie my body like this. You know some women with their respect, they won't give you a siba. Me go use my shoulder, still touch her shoulder like this. Finish. Why be like that now? Because respect. The boy when marry, I feel senior Ramo. But the respect when they for married woman, now be that. Lucky, you want to see me? Daddy, want to talk to you? Please hold on a little, please. Don't want to talk to you. Okay. I'll take something. I'll take something. I promise. Tomorrow is Sunday, and I will take it Monday. No. Daddy, welcome, sir. God bless you, sir. Daddy, what talk about? Lao, eh? Take it Monday by His grace. Domo. Baba, why a topic in here? A topic in our here. When I you look kind I no run 50J watch I no run have the boot dey abi you want matter no yes like my papa just talk now my daddy he say some ladies get their reasons. That's still true. maybe they don't face one challenge or the other. Not true. But you as a lady, you still have to push on. Yeah. Still push on. Push on. Try and do something. Try and solve that issue. Maybe you not trust any man again. But just try. Remember I said, nah, man, I ain't born you. I give you to your mama inside belly. Your mama can't born you. Just still look for one man trust when you go marry. Highest, just tell him at the beginning, I hardly trust men. Do what will make me trust you. Simple, you know say you don't tell him. Than keeping it inside, the man not gonna know the guy go just swim inside. Just be like say the guy there inside trial or something. Just to let him know, eh? Just to let him know. I bet should the case you just see you won't contribute. The number is 080 55 84 1695. 080 55 84 1695. Make we talk this matter. Make we help ourselves. I don't want to be greedy. I be married man. Me still want me used to be married man. Me used to be married woman. Then we're gonna use that marriage eye to rate ourselves. Maybe when I will see you for outside, even the way you go tell wear your trousers as a girl. Then I'll see you. Instead of me to greet you, I'll snub you. It's not good like that. Okay. According to somebody, says some will not try, but looking for other women's husbands. You see? The matter long. That make me talk just now say, it get branches. I beg, eh? You go see some girls go say, I beg, I don't want to be like Tomatoes women. Hey, if I hear that thing, they bust my brain. I am a caterer. I cover events. I plan events. Guy, I be girl. Not go try that girl when they said Tomatoes. Eh? Not go try him. Mo will talk raw. Make her talk raw now. If we say Mo will go raw, that girl, her shade, now she day from morning till night. You need to come see them for vegetable markets for Adua where they buy tomatoes. They also to buy to load. Make she still go sell retail. Person go reach vegetable markets, let's say around 8, 9 in the morning. It will come out there around 11, 12. Basket when you buy maybe na 4 or 5. If you don't sell that basket of tomatoes finish, you don't come out for markets. Girl, make I tell you, that tomatoes get body, it tight past your own. Let us talk raw. It tight past your own. Me go even advise my person. If you want marry, look for girl when they sell for markets. Because now that's our business. Now she focus on. That's our business. Now she focus on. Then as for you when they do business, maybe you are a working class girl. Why you not hold on to yourself? Hold on to yourself. At the end of the day, you become a virtuous woman. Don't you want to be a virtuous woman? Hold on to yourself. Hold on to yourself. You know me, say me your day inside. Wear clothes wey go cover your ear. You not go dress fine. You not go look good. If you not look good, me not go look you. Brother John not go look you. Looking good, another way, not me say you go open your nyash now. You go wear trousers wey go show that your V shape of private parts. Make people they see them. Nonsense, beautiful nonsense. Now me talking. Beautiful nonsense. Not be that one get to the clean up. Not be that one guy go take husband material. Go take look you. Now boyfriend material. Now go they look you. Dress like that. Thank you, sir. Boyfriend material. Do and go. Chop and go. Thank you, Baba. Chop and go. Now I go observe you like that. But there's nothing like, oh, mama, you dress good. If not skirt you won't wear better skirts. If not trouser you won't wear trouser when go cover your skin small. Not the one you go your hold your skin tight. You go your whole lamb. You can't adjust them because the way they draw your hair. Me and you know what they talk now. Because if material too tight body, will come like say they draw your skin hair. You can't adjust them. You are inconveniencing yourself. You are inconveniencing yourself. I know if not trousers you won't wear a good mature trousers. When people say you go wear now, somebody will go from far look you. You not go, you dead far, you never reach where the person did. They don't already rate you that you are a responsible girl. My dear, Western world, we don't do copy. We can't even do and pass them. Our Abashwe don't too much. Abashwe is done too much. What's in? I beg, it affect us. It affect us. Yeah, saw you waru. Yeah, saw you waru. Okay, if I don't still laugh. I beg. The matter when they grant, maybe why girls of 30 years and above still what did they still do for house? If get dey 30 years, at least she suppose don't get like 2 children, minimum of 2. Yes. At least when she's 45 or 40 years, she don't through with bearing of children. Then she go use 10 years when remain, take rest all her hormones before menopause will come. Mommy, I not be doctor, but I'm me talking. My brothers and sisters, make we lecture ourselves. Not be everything doctor and be medical counselor will come tell you. I hear one story one day, even come out for social media. Say one man return his wife for whether Auchi or be Uromi, I don't know, man, not go lie. But na Esan side, one Edo man return his wife, saying not they marry again. That's he not know say the woman body too loose. Hi. My dear, this matter, you won't be mad. I dey shame put. I dey shame put too. Okay, make anybody not hear this one. Imagine now, I never married, for instance. I come meet you as a girl. Make I sleep with you. I discover say, be like say in a River Jordan, now they swim. I go marry you. You see, that is one aspect of it. I don't go marry you. I don't marry you. Yes, we go talk raw now. Mr. James, manhood, size, is different from Mr. John, manhood, size. By the time you come meet Mr. John, Mr. James, different size of manhood, then you don't spoil yourself. And maybe the man when you go later fall in love with, when we marry you, manhood, he not come reach the one when you dey carry, when you be girlfriend that time, or when you dey, you are not one mention name, or when you never settle down. You see say wahala don't come. Now secrets now bring come out too. Secrets, big one. Wahala don't come. By the time man climb you, when say he won't marry you, or he don't marry you, he climb you, he know they get satisfaction. My dear, you sure say that marriage go work? No, una they look me, una no they respond. Una sure say the marriage go work. It no go work. e no go work. Because that na one of wetin dey give man joy, happiness for marriage. In fact, number one. Then now, I dey come to advice. Very important for ladies to be responsible. If you respect yourselves, men will also respect you. Men know good women. You see, huh? Yes. If you dey hungry me, anyone come my way. For example, Mr. Peter, you hungry? See anyone will come my way. 2,000 don't serve am. 5,000 don't serve am. But sit down and think. How long are you going to continue in that mess? How long as a lady? 30 years you still there. You are wasting time. God not going to forgive you. God not going to forgive you. Yes, be disappointed. Any of you when they watch me now, be disappointed. What did this man they talk? Yes, I have to break in your bones. I just have to. So that tomorrow you sit down and think, oh Jesus, what have I done to myself? I can't imagine 30 years to 40 years, 45, you still there. You reach when they go flog. If you discover a spiritual problem, look for a Bible-believing church. And before you begin, they go down Bible-believing church. Everything went there your mind. Clean them. Maybe for start up a good and straight life. If not, say you won't make peace with God. Your mind is still bitter. Or it's still there many, all this talk when they talk so. Guy or girl, God know they hear that kind. Bless you. I beg. I beg you in the name of who died and rose again. Hear these guys out. By the time you discover the guy is not rich and you like this guy, if you have money, elevate him. They are waiting for already made. They don't want to start small. You also have decent ladies among that age. You see? All these comments, you know me saying that all ladies that they talk, oh, not be all. According to her, he said, you still have decent ladies among them. Those decent ones, I close my eyes today. I pray to God Almighty. May God bring good husband, caring and loving husband to you in Jesus' name. Then as for you, when it be say a wrong mind, I dey beg you, because you go get a lot of questions to answer by the time God call you. Make I tell you one thing now. As a lady or a girl, you not married, you not born, 30, 35, 40, 45, maybe she can't die. To me, God go flog that girl. Now try to tell you, God go flog that girl. Because God give you good opportunity, you not make do with her. You don't use them. Why? Now what he ask you come life come do? You don't use them. I beg. We know they quarrel. We know they fight. But God Almighty, what he put for my mind, make her discuss with us. Now discuss so. My dear brothers and sisters, the topic now still now why girls of 30 years and above go still dey house. In that age, they never marry. Why? Is it home problem? Is it spiritual problem? Okay. Make I dey ask my still they talk more the answer. Who still get answer may they bring come? Fine, if na home problem, you yourself can't discover say na home problem. Can't you take yourself out of that problem? Why are you a Christian? Yes. Bible now talk and say, take it by force. Take am by force. What it belongs to you, and you vividly know it belongs to you, take it by force. You can't know say na home problem they worry you. Who can't tell you? And later you can't know. Meaning you know what they do you then. Home problem, please let me have water then. Water. Home problem, I make me never marry. Meaning you know say na home problem. Now you sit down for one place. You not use hand guard the guy, guard them. Maybe say, no, I need on code. Maybe say, with your humility and humbleness, go come make that home problem come up for your body. No, you don't want one. Excuse me. Jog. You don't know which phone.
Okay.
You don't want to you they wait for manna to fall from heaven. Like time you discover saying a home problem they worry you, my dear. Go for deliverance. And you when they go for deliverance, work on yourself. Because pastor or man of God when won't deliver you. You know what infuse manner for your body. You know what infuse respect for your body. That is number one. Number two, as a man, if woman not sabi cook, would you york weful? You know what it be old Dejuma for Shakiri, a good night for you. If you not sabi cook, and you say, me one man put you for us. Babe. Oh, gota. So, now the leakage, now they bring come. Now. Because, the day when your family, your husband family, go visit, or your husband friend, maybe they travel, they won't transit from una state, to from one country to another or one state to another, your state there in between. Flight drop on there. He has no choice than to call your husband back. I won't come pass the night with you. Babe, until you go cook. Oh my winner. If I boy rene. If I boy or rene. Whether you go put the raw food for pots, put water, dust stand like this on top, make it done by himself. We go know that time. You have to learn how to cook. I am a cook. Eddie Best. Don't shy away. Call my number. I will teach you. I will teach you whatever you have. Send to me as a sign of appreciation. Because nothing goes for nothing. I will teach you how to cook. Nowadays, our guests don't even know what they call it. Kotiwu seed soup, they don't know. And now one of the most medicinal soup. They don't know the soup when they call Iyege. You don't know. Even snail, give our guests of now, they say, take snail, maintain them. Now the shaft, now you go eat inside. As you they eat a quacker. You see, huh? You must know how to cook at least 70 to 80%. As a lady, you must know how to cook. If you want to make a good home as a good wife, you must know how to cook. You must know how to use one to become two in terms of finance. You must know how to use one to become two, two to become four, like that. Multiplication go to multiply in terms of money. 3, you must know how to manage. Your spouse gets or you not get. Me and you know, say if your spouse give you money to go market, not be all you they use to buy something. You they reserve some. Then that one when you still reserve, the day when you ask and you not get, I beg. Still bring that one come out. Say buy. It not me say you be fool. Yes, now me talking. Daddy, thank you. It not me say you be fool. It not me say you not wise. Use them. You see, say the man go to respect you. You are a very good cook. I'm a very good cook. My husband don't eat out. Wow. You are lucky, woman. You are lucky. You are lucky. You are lucky. God will bless your home. God bless you. Keep on the fire, better food. You know? Guess of nowadays, they don't even know how to, even the cheapest fried rice. But if they reach eatery, maybe somebody carry them go eatery. That fried rice, they go buy for them. They will come eat and meat when they give them, when big, they will come still cut small inside. Oh, God not forgive you. You when they do like that. And you not stress when the person takes slice those recipes. You not stress the person when cook them. When you take slice those spices. When you eat like, I know say now on money not buy, but now I saw abomination to food. Then other than number 4, I did be number 5. I don't remember. But when they watch me on the counter, you as a lady, you must learn how to embrace your spouse family. You see guests of nowadays go they pray. Before I marry, I want name my excuse me. If I won't marry, I pray the man when I won't marry may not get mama again. In fact, you, that lady, when they talk like that, you not going to even get children. Because you when they pray, may your spouse, mama die, may you for not get mother-in-law. In fact, your own cane is long. And akpoko, you know what it be akpoko? They add alligator pepper joint. Now they take rub that cane with they flog it for in fact for air fire. Learn how to embrace your spouse family. Because now them come marry you. Now them put respect for your body, for your full streets. Your full area. Now they put respect for your body. Your papa no will fit marry you. Your papa no will fit bring your brother come and come put you for house. Another person entirely from outside now will marry you. As that person come put shame for your body and come put respect for your body. So as that person put respect for your body, you suppose respect him and the family. Not be when you go don't enter house, you not go like may your mother-in-law come greet tonight again. You not like may your father-in-law come greet tonight again. You will come and choose who be your friend and who not be your friend for your in-laws. What nonsense. Beautiful nonsense. You are not helping issues. You are worsening issues. Or maybe your tongue they hot. Carry what throw give your mother-in-law. Now so Peking go still throw give you.
Good morning.
No matter what happen.
Hello, I'm listening.
That one after that one. Learn not to task your spouse too much. Biscuits, give me money. I want fix my nails, give me money. I want fix with one, give me money. Get one bag when I want see, I want buy, give me money. I want buy pad, give me money. Waiting. You they come as a helper. You not come. You they come as a helper to the man. You not come suck him. You not be sucking demon. You are not coming as a sucker. You are coming as a helper. That's what Bible talking. Let your husband use his mind, buy you something. Now you go to see better gifts. If you dey request unnecessarily, you dey push that man. Bros, why do I got block it? Like when you dey demand unnecessarily, you see say the man he go sit down for corner. At times you go dey parlor, go sit down. He go dey observe you, go dey look you. At times you dey say, "Honey, why are you looking at me?" You don't know what he did that man mind. So this woman, she dey feel say me dey pluck money. No, what did this woman dey feel like? This woman dey feel say me na Jesus Christ. Now make the man dey look you konyo. You don't understand. I be man. Men when they view us now, they understand what they talk. Learn to manage okra, with water and salt. Oh yeah, now soup. If you want make it many, slice vegetable put. Even if you not draw again, but it dead tasty, it go enter belly. It's even more better. Yes. You get melusa fish when they try, they'll fold down 200. I be 300. Then you buy this small fish when they call it nita, make it for sweets. But before you spend like 600, soup done ready. Maybe oil their house, all those man get everything their house. By the time your husband see and say, 1,000 when he give you, now you take cook soup, even big meat. Men when they now you expect say big meat go there because the woman on the pluck money. You know go thief, you know prostitute, can't take buy big meat put. But the man come, the woman cook that okra soup, or anyhow take cook the soup. He put small fish, 1,000 manager even do semo or buy Santana or at least 1,000. He give you food, you with your children food that evening and the following morning. Why the man not go love you? And what a love why he not go love you? He go love you. As a girlfriend, not be all the time. Let's go to Sizzlers. Let's go to Matthias. No. No. Total no. Capital no. A plate is close to 1,000 something. What? Baby, how are you? No, gently, gently, my phone. Don't go and wound yourself now. You cannot pass there. Use the other side. How are you? How are you? Yeah, how are you? How are you? Oh, yeah, go and sit down. So, now be the matter. What can they? Okay. So, by the time you do it like that, you'll see and say, everywhere go the sweet. No, I don't want you to show your face. Go, 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 go. By the time you do it like that, everywhere go the sweet. The other thing go, it go they go, go they go. You know if you tell me say you be 30 years, 35 years, you still there your papa and your mama house. Girl, in fact, slap yourself as you did there. Just slap yourself. All those trouser tear shirts when you dey wear, when you say you dey use and they fine. Now time you dey waste. You dey waste your time. You are wasting your time. Better sit down and rethink. You are wasting your time. God go ask you if you too select and obey Agwaze. You dey look for Jesus when you want marry. They look for Mogo Park when you want marry. And the boy me with an dey the same area. He dey disturb me. I beg, I don't need area boy. You know what another area boy now go make you happy for life. You know what I go carry you go abroad. You with your children. You know what another area boy now you the whole picking. Not be all men that they whole picking. Another day we go discuss. When they go they throw away picking. Another day. Now we go discuss that one. By the time you don't throw away pikin 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and you come marry, you not come see pikin. That man when you put for bondage, God go ask you. I'm brutal. I'm not happy. That man when you put for bondage, God go ask you. Another day, now for that topic. We the men, not be say we perfect. Oh, our own just still there with us. Our own, it just still pile up. Another day, we will dig out this topic one after the other. Don't forget the topic now. Why 30 years girl of a girl of 30 years and above still at home, not married? Now that will be the topic. Brother, sister, I beg. Now I did best. Now I bring this matter up. When I go see and say the topic, is a wicked person. Make we think twice. Let us think twice and do something fast. Ladies, stop wasting your time. Please, that guy, when you break his heart, when you know, say, maybe na mechanic, or if they do 1 or 2 job, till they earn living, I beg. Maybe you don't break up with him. Sit down, go think. That guy and I go be your husband. He must not be Buhari's son or Governor Obaseki's son or former Governor Oshomole's son. I don't talk my own. No, I don't talk my own. I say I don't talk my own. Tomorrow, when I go remember me. Then as for you, when you still need 1 advice or 2, I beg, not fail to call my line. Call me. I will still give you little when I get. I'll still give you little when I get. Just to give you tips of it. I beg, but not forget the topic. Let us work with it and make sure the whole thing goes smoothly. Make sure I won't attend marriages. Make una call me for catering services. Bros, now you come at so time, cancel us concerning this, that, oh. Say we don't mature, we need to marry. Now I don't see somebody I won't marry. Now you I want make it cook the food. I ready that day on the reception day to still carry mic. Tell them say, God use me. Say talk. Now make these 2 people become husband and wife. God will bless you. God will bless you. This is Eddie Best, CEO Eddie Best Food. Make una not forget to subscribe to my channel, the Golden Excellent Brothers Club International on YouTube. All these messages, all this video, I will try my best to put them for my TV channel. It's all love, man. I'll try to put them for my TV channel. Make una for the watch am time to time. Don't forget, the number is 080 55 84 1695. Don't forget to share this video. As you share this video, God will elevate you. God will make you to know Him more and more. And as for you and you, whenever know God, whenever know say God exists, please enter church, Bible believing church, or give your life to Christ. Nobody, no one like God. God is God. Don't forget, it's a year of signs and wonders. Love you all. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Eddie Best, CEO, Eddie Best Food. I love you all. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Happy weekend. Please stay safe. Make una not forget today. Don't forget to cover your nose. Don't forget to sanitize your hand. Always wash your hand and sanitize. Stay safe and God bless you all in Jesus' name. I love you. One love, one love.